Plastic Composites, WPC, a global market overview. The report segments the market based on plastic type and application. Geographical analysis spans over the Americas, Europe, Asia, and rest of the world. Key market players features in this report include Alstone Industries Private Limited, Hoson WPC Company, Limited, JELU Work Joseph Erler GM and Company, KG, Trex Company, Inc., and more. Global market analysis of wood plastic composites. Product segment analysis of wood plastic composites market. Regional analysis of wood plastic composites market.